Hello everyone! Today we're going to be talking all about Amazon keyword research. But before we get into it, I have something very exciting to share with you. For the first time ever, Helium 10 is offering an 80% discount on your first month of a platinum or diamond plan, and it's only available until July 31st. I'm utilizing the platinum plan in this tutorial, and with the discount, it comes to under $20. So it's a fantastic deal. You can sign up for just 1 month if you just want to bang out all of your listing optimization within the month. Or of course, you can keep your subscription running. They also have annual plans. I also wanted to mention that they do have a 7-day money-back guarantee. So if you're unhappy with Helium 10 for whatever reason, then you can get refunded. So it really is 100% risk-free. But wait, there's more. I'm going to be throwing in a bonus for the first 10 people who sign up for this deal and email me their proof of purchase. Vivid Visuals was kind enough to sponsor this bonus, and they're going to give you a free 3D mockup of your Amazon product. You'll be able to use these 3D renders in your listing photos, packaging, advertisements, enhanced brand content if you are brand registered, or your Instagram, Facebook pages, whatever your heart desires. So if you choose the Platinum plan, which again, that's what I'm using today, it will come out to just under $20. So even just the 3D mockup and renderings is worth far more than the $20, so you're getting a steal of a deal. So click the Helium 10 link below, follow the instructions, and then email me your proof of purchase and that you would like to claim your free 3D mockup of your Amazon product. Alright, now let's get into the video. So what is Helium 10 Cerebro? Helium 10 Cerebro is a fantastic Amazon keyword research tool. To sum it up, it allows you to get an inside look into your competitors' keywords and see which keywords that they are ranking for. Not only does this tool reveal the keyword's monthly search volume, so you can decide which keywords are worth paying attention to, but you also get to discover these new long-tail keyword phrases that you never would have thought of in the first place. Plus, these long-tail keywords are going to be less competitive while still having a decent monthly search volume. You can then add these new phrases to your listing so you can start gaining more exposure. Plus, you can also run PPC campaigns for these phrases, and they're going to be much more cost-effective and efficient compared to targeting more competitive keywords. So long story short, targeting the proper keywords is going to gain you more exposure, drive more traffic, and increase your sales. And now for the tutorial. So today's example is going to be a purple dog leash. So we're going to go into Amazon and type in the main keyword, which is purple dog leash. And for this step, we're going to be using Helium 10's Chrome extension, and that is free. So I'm going to leave the link for it in the description box, so go ahead and install that to Google Chrome. So I'm going to the top of my browser and clicking on the extension and then clicking Xray. Now it's going to pull up all the data on all of the products that are on this page. So right away, I'm just going to get rid of these sponsored products. Okay, and then next, I'm going to go ahead and arrange all this data by revenue. So I want the products that are selling the most to be at the top. And now we're going to select our like-for-like competitors. So I'm hovering over the images and taking a look at the product. So if my example is a plain purple dog leash, I'm not going to select one that's a retractable dog leash. And this one here is meant for 2 dogs, so I'm not going to select that one either. This one looks like it's a really long leash, so that's not a like-for-like competitor. So select a minimum of 5, and then you're going to click Run Cerebro. So now it took all of those ASINs and put it into the Cerebro search bar for you. Now right away, I'm going to tick the box Exclude Variations, because if there are green leashes, orange leashes, I don't want those keywords because it doesn't relate to my purple dog leash. Now maybe if your example had different sizes, that doesn't really matter. The keywords will still be relevant, so you don't have to click Exclude Variations. Okay, now click Get Keywords. So now we have 6,886 filtered keywords, and now we're going to filter this even further. So let's try a minimum search volume of 400 searches per month. And competitor rank, I'm going to put between position 1 and position 49. So this is going to show me keywords that are searched a minimum of 400 times monthly, and our competitors are ranking between position 1 and position 49 for these keywords. So in theory, these keywords should be relevant to your product. So that filtered it down even further to 41 keywords. Now there's a series of options of how you can sort these keywords, so you can do it by search volume, for example. Now you can go down this list and select all the keywords that are relevant to your product. And then once you've done that, scroll back up and click Add to My List. Create a new folder, and now you have a nice list of keywords that are saved to your folder so they can be referenced later on. Now, if you're wondering what to do with these keywords, we're going to work them into our listing, so you're going to want to watch this video next. And of course, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like so it can spread to and help more people. And don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon videos like this one, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!